gonna play Will You Tell.
Oh boy, Will You Tell? Will You Tell? Who is he? What you doing?
I'm gonna play radio, Heathcliff. Do you wanna play?
Sure. How do you play radio, Louie?
Here, take these and stick them in your ears. Now plug it in the wall.
Stick it in the bear.
It works! Hey, give me back my radio!
Buddy, we're gonna play train. I've done a bad thing.
Heathcliff, I got a surprise for you.
A surprise, Louie?
Yeah, close your eyes. Come on. Okay, Heathcliff, you can open your eyes now.
Oh boy, a birthday cake! Happy birthday to me! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to me! Hey, today ain't my birthday, Louie.
Oh, yes, it is. Here, you light it.
Oh boy, it's pretty. Hey, there's 4 candles here and I'm only 3. We won't need this one.
Oh, yes, we will. You're 4.
Oh no, I'm 3.
You're 4.
I am not, I'm 3.
Now look, Heathcliff, let's not get excited. You're 4.
No, I'm not, Louie. I'm only 3 years old.
You're 4.
You was right, Louie. I'm 4. I found my birth certificate and it says I'm 4. So give me back my candle. I'm going, Louie. Goodbye, Louie. I'm going.
It's too bad you're going, Heathcliff, because if you weren't going, you would inherit $1 million. And you can't take it with you, you know.
Well, if I can't take it with me, I'm not going. I tried. But I just simply can't seem to catch that old rabbit. If at first you don't succeed, Elmer, try again. Try again?